The blizzard struck when the mountain offered little more than rock and snow. With no tools or materials at hand, the man had to make do with whatever lay at his feet to construct a makeshift shelter. He carefully selected stones of the right size, skillfully stacking them into low walls that provided just enough enclosure to block the wind and trap a bit of warmth. As the snow deepened, the small space behind the stone walls gradually became a refuge from the biting cold. Every move had to be calculated as the weather worsened. A single misplaced stone could compromise the structure's stability. Yet bit by bit, a rudimentary shelter took shape amidst the snowy white landscape. Small and simple, but sufficient to keep him safe until the storm passed.